12 aspiring young entrepreneurs mula sa mga state universities and colleges sa Cordillera ang nagpakita ng kanilang business ideas sa ginanap na Cordillera Youth Entrepreneurship Program Project Marites Regional Business Pitching Competition nitong Oktubre 28. Malakas na hiyawan ang pumuno sa bulwagan ng Newtown Plaza sa Baguio City nang tanghalin ang estudyanteng si Lloyd Brian Saysay na kampiyon sa Regional Business Pitching Competition nitong Martes. Napabilib ni Saysay ang mga hurado sa kanyang pro-environment and innovative business idea na edible cups.
The idea of edible cups has been done 2 years ago, but then wala po siya sa Philippines. And so I'm so happy that I'm one of the first to create this idea so that we can serve a better purpose po for our environment. So I think that is my edge for the sustainability and na pinaglalaban po natin at the same time para po mabawasan po yung mga waste na nag-end up po sa landfills. The next plan po is that for now, we already have our prototype of the product. The next thing that we are aiming to do is to register it so that we can secure the intellectual property rights of this product.
Nagpasalamat din si Saysay sa oportunidad na naibigay para sa kanila ng mga estudyante. Ang nasabing aktibidad ay inisyatibo ng DTI CAR at CHEDCAR katuwang ang Unifast upang bigyang daan ang mga kabataang negosyante na maging produktibong individual sa pamamagitan ng pagpapaunlad ng kanilang mga kasanayan sa pagnenegosyo.
Actually, YEP is an acronym, YEP, which stands for the Youth Entrepreneurship Program. This is one of the flagship program of the Department of Trade Industry, which aims to cater to our youthful demographics of the population. So, ang mga beneficiaries natin dito, ang tinutulungan natin, ages from 18 to 30 years old. Basically, the goal of the program is to provide package of interventions for our youthful beneficiaries. We will be providing them different skills and trainings that will lead them to become or to engage in enterprises and to equip them magkaroon sila ng entrepreneurial mindset.
We would like to mention that the pitch competition that we have done this day is a showcase of ideas, and it is a shared work to deliver the Philippine Development Plan. This is also aligned to the chief agenda of the Commission on Higher Education.